Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Subaru Crosstrek in neutral. First, always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface to prevent unintended movement. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, simply move the gear selector from park or drive into the N position. This is the standard method when your engine is running or the ignition is on. It's a straightforward process for temporary stops or when preparing for a car wash. Remember to keep safety first. Sometimes you need to shift into neutral without engine power, perhaps due to a dead battery. For this, you'll use the shift lock release. Locate the small cover near your gear shifter. Gently pry it open with a small flathead screwdriver. Inside, you'll find a button. Press and hold this button down while moving the gear selector into neutral. This bypasses the electronic lock, allowing manual shifting. It's crucial for towing or moving a disabled vehicle. Safety is paramount when operating your vehicle. After placing your Crosstrek in neutral, always engage the parking brake, especially on any incline, to prevent rolling. Never leave your vehicle unattended in neutral, as it can easily roll away if the parking brake isn't fully engaged or fails. Remember, in neutral, there is no engine braking, meaning the vehicle relies solely on its friction brakes to stop. Be aware of your surroundings and maintain control. Knowing when and how to use neutral is a valuable skill for any driver. It's ideal for brief stops, like at a drive-thru, or when going through an automatic car wash. It's also absolutely essential for towing your Crosstrek, ensuring the transmission isn't damaged. Always consult your owner's manual for specific towing instructions. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.